Good morning, parents, and good morning, parents, and all stakeholders. The parents, particularly the parents who have registered their wards for admission into class 1 in our Vidyalaya, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya along, and all other stakeholders. I welcome all this for this particular session. This particular session is called Draw of Lots. Let me just brief you about the procedure for admission into Kendriya Vidyalaya for class 1. So the draw floats will start at 10:30 a.m. Before that, let me just brief you about the procedure. The procedure is something like this. Those who have applied for this one, first 25% seats are allotted for seats under RT, Right to Education Act. So about 10 seats are there. So how to and those who are coming, which particular category of the students are coming under this RTE is that scheduled tribe, ST, SC, and OBC, and economically backward classes. So automatically the computer will take all the applications those are coming under this category, and a draw of lots is conducted, means lottery is conducted randomly by the computer. So that particular section is this one. So therefore, once the RTE draw of lots is conducted, then we go for other categories. They are called priority categories. Priority categories is that you have a category 1, category 2. Category 1 means those employees, those central government employees, all central government employees coming under category 1, and the central autonomous are coming under category 2. So a draw of lots is also taken for this one, and next we have got the lottery for different reservations like SC, ST, and OBC. So percentage wise it will go. So let me just show you the um, demo for this draw lots. Okay, so I hope my voice is clear. I'm audible. Right. My dear parents, you look at this particular screen. Actually, this is your portal, Ola dashboard. We can see that the number of applications that we have received there. Out of 40, we have received 42 applications total, and uh, the application received for RT is about 20. Single girl child is 0, and KVS was 0, EWS BPL 0, DA 0, differently abled. So we start with now we go for the lottery demo. करना है Okay, now we are going for lottery demo. applications. It is just to brief you how the lottery is done by the computer. So the RTA lottery demo, you must have seen that serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 have been displayed with application subcodes 1, 2, some numbers are given randomly and names are given some randomly. Okay. Now once I click, I'll show you all these applications. Almost yeah, about 200 applications. It is showing 200 applications. It's only a demo, dummy applications. And when I press this conduct lottery demo, so automatically the post. See dummy applications, lottery results. See now you must have seen that lottery number 1. So 1 is given to serial number 126, and lottery number 2. That means the second place is given to serial number 187, and lottery number 3 is 40. Like that, this is the total lottery for RTE. Okay, so as per the availability of the number of seats in a particular Kendriya Vidyalaya, we choose. For example, here 200 are there, but so for example, in our case, only 40 seats are there. Out of 40 seats, 25% seats are reserved for RTE category. That means only 10 seats are reserved. So therefore, we take only 10. So this is how the demo for lottery is done. I hope all the parents understood how actually the lottery is done. Okay. If you have any doubts or anything, you can comment and our team will see. I hope it is clear. And let me just tell you the time schedule for this one. Today, once the lottery is done for RTE, SCA, all lotteries are done. As I told, first it will be done for RTE, then for disabled candidates. Of course, we do not have any disabled candidates, DA. And we have next we'll go for category 1, then category 2. Category 2 also we do not have. Then we go for the reserved categories. ST, SC, OBC, and then we'll go for the other categories like category 3, 4, and lastly 5. So category 3 is all those state government employees, and category 4 is for state government autonomous, and category 5 is all others. Means all other parents will come under this category 5, whether they are business, private employees, or any other. So this is a you know at 10:30. So still we have a certain time. Here I just would like to give you the schedule. Means how the admission. What is the scheduled dates? So today 23rd, first list 23 6 2020 means once this particular lottery is done, the list is generated by the computer and we will save it, and it will be displayed on the our official website along.kvs.ac.in. Okay, so you can see, means all the parents, those who are waiting for their admission, they can see um, the list. It will be displayed in the website. Um, so similarly, second list means we will be giving time from 23 to 2030th, so they can come to the school and show their original documents, and they can take the admission. So those who are unable to turn up by 29th, we will be displaying on 30th for 30th June. Okay, and then the third list that is on 5/7. So that is the last chance. And after that, uh, declaration of the provisional list of the candidates as per priority service category means on 2nd July 2021 we will be declaring the provisional list of select candidates as per priority service category. Then this is the next is the extended date for second notification for offline registration. If the sufficient number of candidates are not available, again we will give a notification. For example, if we suppose SC category is there, under SC 6 seats are reserved. As per the number of applications received, we have here we have it is shown 0, means we have 0 candidates, no candidates are available. So therefore, those seats will be kept abeyance, means we do not give an admission to other categories, only it has to be filled by SC categories only. So therefore, for that we will give a second notification on 8th July. Similarly for OBC also we will give, and registration start from 8 to 12 July. So if again no candidate appears from these categories, then these seats will be filled by other category students. So the admission will be from 13th to 16th July. So this is a brief procedure. I hope everybody is able to follow. Then I think we can we'll be just looking at this one. I'm just again coming to dashboard. So as I told, see applications overview, 42 applications we have received. 40 are the seats. It does not mean that everybody today only they will get it. It is only RTE seats, SC category 1, category 2 only to be filled up, and other reserved categories also. So the remaining seats, if they are SC candidates of not available, OBC candidates not available, so we will keep it pending only till uh, 8th July. So till 8th July we have to wait. After 8th July, if nobody turns up, then for other candidates it will be given. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this is, you can see the priority categories also. You can see that 3 applications only received. Category 2 0, category 3 9 applications received. Category 5 30, means from general public it is 30. Uh, Applications by gender, it is given, you can see 21 boys and 21 girls. It is equal in proportion. And application by caste, if you can see, 21 general we have received, OBC CL 0, OBC NCL 2 seats are there, 2 applications received. Uh, and SC 0, ST 19. Yeah. So now we can go for, let's see whether we can. Dear parents, once again, I will like to draw your attention on this particular screen. You can see this is our Ola dashboard, and you can see this lottery operation can be performed between 23 6 to the 10:30 a.m. and 11:30. That is the time slot given for Tinsukia region. So today is the session for draft lot session for all schools all over the India. So here it is showing a number of sections available. One RT seats 10. See here how many, say 20 applications we have received. Please check your what's names are there. Those are applied. These are the names I'm just showing. Karkete, Joy Ori, Zimi Yadav, Masumete, Jyotish Mandaka, Igam Loi, Kamduk, Gekwete, Nyasmin Bagra, Hansi Ango, Jimson Bam, Lenin Yamir, Yorpan, Karklahari, Paka Sora. Okay, so serial numbers like that is now once I conduct the lottery, okay, and what happens? The lottery number will be displayed. So I go for this one. So I'm pressing this button. I you can just watch, right? So yeah, it is now it is asking. The school confirms that demos of the lottery have been shown to the parents with their satisfaction. The school and parents understand that the conduct lottery will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. Yeah. So this is the post lottery. Um, see, number one is Shahil Ali. Number three is Namski Kamduk. Number four is Kusum Kakhalari. Number five, Gedo Ete. Number six, Tosum Raksap. Number seven, Nyasim Bagras. Eight, Lenin. Number nine, Diksha. Number 10, Jumsum. And then, you can see that there are waiting lists also. Means in the time slot, as I have given, the second list is on 30th. Means if the students, if their parents are not able to produce the required documents, or if they are not interested to take admission, then it will go to the waiting list candidates. So waiting list candidates is also given. Waiting list 1, waiting list 2, 3, like that it is given. So this is, and this we are going to take this. We are going to download this particular. Yeah, I'm downloading RTE post lottery. Shuffle. We'll keep a new folder. Class 1 admissions. Under class 1 admissions, I'm saving it. Next, we go to DA. Yeah, the second one is differently abled SC. No application in this category, as I already told. So there is no need to conduct lottery. बटन भी नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. No button is displayed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So ST also you see no applications. ST no applicants. Then OBCCL no. Now we are coming to service category. So this is the category 1, service category. We call it as service category. Number of seats, RTE, DA, SAQ. See, dear parents, I would like to once again tell you that under RTE, 10 seats are already reserved, and since DA there is no candidate, 0, and sponsoring agency quota, 5 seats are to be reserved. So that means 15 seats are already reserved. Okay. So now we go for the remaining seats, means for the other 25. First we have to go to the, yeah, we are going to this lottery for category 1. So how many seats are only, I mean number of applications only 3. So but we have to conduct the lottery. So I'm going for lottery. Confirm the level. Okay, and now I am going to download it in my computer. Yeah. So this I'm saving. Right. Now we go for service category 2. No applications received as expected. Then we go for SC. No applications. Then we go for ST. Yeah. Under ST, you can see that number of sections 1, number of seats 3. As I already told that out of 40, only 3 seats are reserved for ST. Um, see how many, 19 are there. So we conduct lottery for this also. What is this? We are about to move this. Just simply give the lottery result. Click OK and close the page after clearing. पासवर्ड कैसे होता है? You just simply view this the lottery results. Click OK and close the page after viewing it. Yeah. Download it now. Yeah. Okay, then we go for OBC and CL. Yeah, OBC and CL. See, you can see that 11 seats are reserved for OBC and CL as per reservation, but here only we can see only 2 candidates. Lottery session. Okay, I'm just downloading it. And then again we go for category 3. Category 3 is the state government employees. We have received 9 applications. Go through the all the names. Yeah. See, this is the post lottery results. So here again, once again, we go for download it, download it. Yeah. Category 3 is over. We go for category 4. Category 4, no candidates. Then we go for category 5. So category 5, we can see huge number of applications, 30. Conduct lottery. Okay. This is the post lottery list. All these lists will be displayed in the notice board of our website. You can see it by today evening. Then lastly, we come to the single girl child. Single girl child also no application received. Okay, so this is what all lotteries are over, and all lists we have downloaded. So it is in front of you. We have conducted everything. This is system generated lists. So by offline or by online. Thank you. Thank you once again.